Having already taken a look at how you can use an internal NVMe SSD in an external enclosure thanks to Sabrent's Tool-Free NVMe Enclosure, if you're lucky enough to be rocking two NVMe SSDs and would rather they be in the same enclosure, then Sabrent have you covered with this, the Thunderbolt 3 to NVMe SSD dual enclosure. Although the Sabrent Tool-Free NVMe enclosure makes it nice and easy to install a compatible SSD within seconds, there may be times when you want to use two drives. Yes, swapping them over is easy enough, but what if you want to use both drives at the same time without having to purchase an additional enclosure? Or maybe you want to jump on the RAID bandwagon for the fastest speeds possible. Well, for those scenarios, this unit will come in seriously handy. Alongside a user manual, we are greeted with the drive itself. Of course, it's a little larger than most NVMe enclosures since we can place two NVMe drives into this thing, but weighing in at just shy of 250 grams, it's still very much portable. We find a silicone sleeve wrapped around the entire enclosure, providing a rugged design, albeit with plenty of venting slots and holes all around for heat dissipation. Talking of heat dissipation, the entire drive itself carries a solid aluminum construction, which not only adds to its durability, but also helps draw the heat away from the drives installed within, an important aspect when using high-speed NVMe SSDs. Although saying that, note that the drive does include an integrated temperature and health monitoring system too. The unit does come with rubberized feet, ensuring the drive stays in place on your desk even with the silicone sleeve removed, which is a nice added touch for those who wish to run the drive in this way when the extra protection is not needed. Nevertheless, along with some Sabrent branding, we have all ports on one end of the device, namely a power button to switch the unit on and off, a power port used with the included power adapter as the unit is not bus powered, considering it needs the extra juice to run two SSDs simultaneously, a Thunderbolt 3 port with a short Thunderbolt 3 cable also included in the package, and finally status LEDs to each of the installed SSDs. A point to note with the Thunderbolt 3 connectivity though is that this is not only compatible with Thunderbolt 3 like other drives, Sabrent is one of the few manufacturers and brands who are fully certified by Intel to use Thunderbolt 3 technology in their products, so I'd happily trust them with my valuable data. Anyway, as a whole the drive looks solid. No issues there at all. It would have been nice to have this bus powered for even greater portability, but thankfully the included adapter is small enough to throw into your bag along with the drive itself. And just like many other drives in the Sabrent range, we have a completely tool-free drive installation process thanks to this keyring lock type design on the underside, which sits completely flush with the drive, yet can be pulled up nice and easily, and a quarter turn releases the entire bottom plate from the main body of the drive. Inside we find the main controller chipset along with space for two NVMe SSDs to be installed alongside each other, with the most common sizes being compatible, and with a rubber grommet keeping the opposite end of the drive securely in place. I'll be using Sabrent Rocket SSDs in this example. I personally use these in various other external drives and have yet to encounter a single issue. So not only do they tend to perform well, they're reliable yet reasonably priced too. So with the drive installed at an angle, push down and hold into place with the rubber grommet provided. And repeat for the second drive. Note that you can run the unit with one drive for now. There's no requirement to install a second drive, and you can always leave it free for future expansion if you prefer. With drives installed, we find some thermal pads in the package which can be installed above each drive before replacing the bottom plate and rotating the thumb dial to lock into place. And with that, drive installation is complete. All that's left is to connect both power and Thunderbolt 3 cable in order to attach to a computer. Both Windows and Mac platforms are supported with no drivers or other software installation needed. So as it stands, I have two independent drives available to me here within one enclosure, providing the ability to store information across drives as and how you prefer. Speed depends upon the drives installed, but in my example I'm more than happy with the results, easily providing me the option to edit even 4K content with ease. No issues there at all. Alternatively, with two drives of the same capacity, we can create a RAID array. You'll need your own software solution to do this. I personally prefer to use SoftRAID, and by creating a striped array we can instantly have a single higher capacity drive with access to even higher performance too. Of course, with that fantastic performance does also come some risk. Should one drive fail, you lose data across both. But honestly, I've been using NVMe SSDs for several years now. In fact, my main editing drive contains 4 NVMe SSDs in a striped array, and due to the lack of moving parts, they are much more reliable in the first instance. Although if data is mission critical for you, then a mirrored array is also possible, creating an automatic backup of your data as you work. So, all in all, what we have here is a flexible and versatile drive. Insert 2 NVMe SSDs and set them up how you like. Use them as individual drives, for which they could even be different capacities, or as a RAID for even higher performance, for instance. It really does come down to your intended usage. Nevertheless, performance is great, build quality is fantastic, and the entire solution as a whole works wonderfully well. Honestly, no issues found at all throughout all my testing, as both individual and RAID enabled configurations, making this a very easy and very highly recommended solution.